Hey friends, if the Windows Photos app keeps on crashing with the file system error on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now first of all, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select check for updates in the right pane. The next one is to go to the app section, select installed apps, search for photos here. Okay, we just found it here. If not, we can always search for the photos app in this list and then click on the three dots associated with it and advanced options. Scroll down, background permission should be selected at never. Scroll down, terminate it for now, repair it, wait till you get a tick here and simultaneously reset it. Wait till you get a tick here because there may be an issue with the settings, but resetting it will make sure that the settings are restored to default. If this doesn't help either, then simply uninstall it. Wait for a few seconds. It needs a few seconds for uninstallation. Then search for store in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft. Now search for photos. Then go to Microsoft Photos. Click on install. It will reinstall Microsoft Photos. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.